Certainly. Here's a quick and protein-packed breakfast recipe using 1 cup of oats and 2 eggs. Oat and egg breakfast recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup quick oats, 2 eggs, salt and black pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 30 grams mozzarella cheese, a pinch of crushed red pepper, a pinch of parsley, vegetable oil for frying, black sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions: soak the oats. Add 1 cup of quick oats to a bowl and pour in 1 cup of milk. Let it soak for 5 minutes. Prepare the egg mixture. Crack 2 eggs into a separate bowl, season with salt and black pepper, and mix well. Combine ingredients. Add the egg mixture to the soaked oats. Mix in 30 grams of mozzarella cheese, crushed red pepper, and parsley. Cook the oat mixture. Heat vegetable oil in a pan. Pour the oat mixture into the pan and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Flip and fry. Flip the oat mixture and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve. Sprinkle black sesame seeds on top and enjoy your protein-packed breakfast. Remember to adjust the seasonings and cooking time to your liking. Bon appetit!